Very good morning to all of you. I welcome in Atal FDP, redesigning pedagogy, educating for the innovation and fostering for the society. Now I request Jolly Madam to introduce our chief guest of the today's function.
Thank you, Naitik Bhai. I welcome, good morning to one and all. I welcome you all on the inaugural function of the AICT Atal FDP program. And the chief guest of our today's function is Dr. B.N. Suagia, sir. I welcome you, sir, and I appreciate the quick response that you have given us when we invited you for this FDP. Dr. Suagia is a known figure in the field of pharmacy, and he has remained my teacher at LM College of Pharmacy. So it is my pleasure to give his introduction. Dr. B.N. Suagia is the Dean and Professor at Faculty of Pharmacy, Dharamsi Desai University, Nadiad. He has previously rendered his duties as Professor and Head of the Department Pharmaceutical Chemistry, LM College of Pharmacy. He has more than 44 years of teaching experience at UG and PG level. He completed his BPharm in 1974, MPharm in 1981, and PhD in 1989 from LM College of Pharmacy. And he completed his degree in law in the year 1995. Dr. Suagia is a known figure in the field of pharmacy. He has guided more than 35 PhD students and more than 40 uh, postgraduate students during his tenure as a researcher and as a teacher. He has published more than 190 research and review papers in well-reputed journals of that is national as well as international repute. He has published two books and received 11 awards for his research presentations. Um, he has received the Best Teachers Award by the Association of Pharmacy Profession, and he has received various grants from different funding agencies like BIRAC, Bujkos, DST, and AICT. Uh, he is dynamically involved in research and has received various research grants. Dr. Suagia is also a life member of the Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Association of Pharmacy Teachers, Association of Pharmacy Professionals, Indian Society of Technical Education, and Institute of Chemists. He was nominated in the Who's Who in the World, then 300 Cornell Drive, uh, Berkeley, New Jersey. He served his duty as President and Secretary of Gujarat State Pharmacy Teachers Association. He has remained a Senate and an Academic Council member in the Faculty of Pharmacy at Gujarat University, and he has also given his valuable input as a member of the FRC committee and the RJ Shah committee as President DIA Gujarat branch. He has served his duties as a member of Board of Governance, Academic Council, Advisory Board of various universities and institutions, um, and he has also uh, um, served as a Senate member of NIPER Ahmedabad, and he is an active member in AICT and PCI and has conducted several inspections on behalf of AICT and PCI. I welcome you, sir, to this inaugural function, and it will be our pleasure to have you with us on this day of the inaugural function of the FDP. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Dr. B.N. Suhagia sir to speak few lines.
Good morning, one and all. First off, I will introduce about the faculty development program. Uh, Here, विवेक्यातिरविप्लवाहानोपायः निरंतर अभ्यास से प्राप्त निश्चल और निर्दोष विवेक ज्ञान अज्ञानता को मिटा सकता है. With this quote, good morning to everybody. Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. B.N. Suagia sir, Dr. Jolly Parikh madam, Principal of this institute, respected speaker, invited guest, faculty member, participant, and supporting staff member. A very warm welcome to one and all. Really, it is a great pleasure for me to welcome one and all in the AICT sponsored Atal FDP on redesigning pedagogy, educating for the innovation and fostering for the society. I am very happy to take opportunity to take few words about the FDP. Its main objective is to its main objective to plan and help in imparting quality technical education in the country and to support the technical institute in fostering research, innovation and entrepreneurship through training in various emerging areas. First, AICT training and learning, which is known as the Atal Academy, started in northwest region of India at Jaipur. Then it started in the Vadodara, Guwahati, and Trivandrum by the Honorable Union Minister Human Resource Development in the September 2018. AICT Training and Learning Academy conducted a series of training programs in various emerging areas across the country in the year 1920. Total 185 training programs were conducted in the year 2019. 500 more FDP was conducted in the financial year 2020 and 2021 across the country. In engineering, management, arts, craft, design, and media. During the lockdown period, Atal Academy has decided to conduct online FDP. So our institute, AR College of Pharmacy and GH Patel Institute of Pharmacy sent proposal to the financial assistant for the same under the guidance of Dr. Jolly Parikh madam. Our AR College of Pharmacy and GH Patel Institute of Pharmacy is run under the Charutar Vidya, which is the oldest trust in the Gujarat, established in 1945. ARCP started with the diploma pharmacy course in 1981 with the intake of 60 seats. In 1982, institute started BPharm course, and in 1999, institute started MPharm. There are the total 92 seats in a Master of Pharmacy for the various branches like quality assurance, medicinal chemistry, pharmacy practice, pharmacology, pharmacognosy. Institute is affiliated to the Gujarat Technological University, approved by AICT, PCI, Commissionerate of Technical Education, and accredited by the AICT NBA 2 times. Institute believes in quality education. Improvement of the teaching and learning method in a current education system is basic need to build strong nation. Basically, teaching includes two major components, sending and receiving information. So as a teacher, it is essential to learn and adapt newer technique with ancient method to improve the teaching and learning method. So we have planned to organize faculty development program on redesigning pedagogy, educating for the innovation, fostering for the society. To give justice to the faculty development program, we have invited eminent resource person from the various fields. Before start this function, let me share the schedule with you. We have planned one inaugural program, total 14 plenary lecture and valedictory program we have planned. Dr. B.N. Suagia sir, Dean Faculty of the Pharmacy at DDU University, Nadiad, is the chief guest of our today's function. Inaugural program and Dr. Sunil Bothra sir, Professor of Government Pharmacy College, Aurangabad, give their positive concerns to be present as a chief guest in our valedictory function. From first day to fourth day, there is total 3 plenary sessions in each day. And at the 5th day of faculty development program, we have planned 2 plenary sessions and 1 test for the participant. I feel privileged to give brief introduction about our respected speaker who have given their positive consent for from their busy schedule. They are Dr. Anil Bhandari sir, Professor in Pharmacy, Department of Chemistry, Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Dr. Deepali Gandhi, former Associate Professor, Gaymed College of Education, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Gujarat. Dr. Devesh Kapoor, Lecturer, Dr. Dayaram Patel Pharmacy College, Bardoli, Gujarat. Dr. Jayavardhan K. Patel, Principal, Nutan College of Pharmacy, Visnagar, Gujarat. And also he is the Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Sakalchand University, Visnagar, Gujarat. Dr. Bhaskar Pandya sir, Professor and Head, Humanity and Social Science, Charuset University, and also he is the Principal in charge, Indukaka Ipkowala Institute of Management, Charuset. Dr. Milind Wag sir, Professor, MVB College of Pharmacy, Nasik, Maharashtra. Dr. Ajay Namdev sir, Associate Professor and Head Pharmacognosy, Department of Pune College of Pharmacy, Maharashtra. Dr. Upma Trivedi, Professor, Indubai Patel College of Pharmacy, Research Center, Dharmaj. Dr. Tarun Patel sir, Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Dr. Ravindra Patil sir, Principal and Professor, Satabdi Institute of Pharmacy, Nandurbar, Maharashtra. Dr. Yogesh Bachau sir, Associate Director of Aquaris Anti-Infective Cures, Germany. Dr. Ritesh Patel sir, HOD of Electrical Engineering Department, GSET Engineering College, Gujarat. Dr. Nehal Shah sir, Principal, Indubai Patel College of Pharmacy and Research Center, Dharmaj. Also, he is the Associate Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Zone 3, Gujarat Technological University, Gujarat. Dr. Vaisali Thakkar Madam, Professor, Anand Pharmacy College, Gujarat. They will take plenary session on teacher as a counselor, cooperative learning for 21st century learner, transformation of teaching learning approach, modern pedagogy, practice, presentation of research, an important component for the academic, effective pedagogy in contemporary higher education, critical and analytical thinking in teaching learning process, art of effective teaching, learning objective, student center and teacher center, classroom management, changing paradigm of teaching learning, classroom pedagogy, the paradigm shift, upskill tomorrow's professional industrial outlook, effective teaching, conventional practice and innovation approaches, factor and facts of teaching methodology, emerging tools and technology for interactive learning respectively. Total 200 participant has registered in our faculty development program, which is the maximum limit given by the AICTE for online FDP. Out of this, 6 participants from the Andhra Pradesh, 2 participants from the Assam, 1 from the Chandigarh, 1 from the Chhattisgarh, 3 from the Delhi, 1 from Goa, 48 from Gujarat, 4 from Haryana, 2 from Himachal Pradesh, 18 from Karnataka, 3 from Kerala, 6 from Madhya Pradesh, 48 from Maharashtra, 1 from Mizoram, 6 from Odisha, 2 from Punjab, 6 from Rajasthan, 17 from Tamil Nadu, 4 from Telangana, 2 from Tripura, 9 from Uttar Pradesh, 4 from Uttarakhand, 6 from West Bengal joined this FDP with the diversifying specialization to the experience. I feel happy that senior faculty like Dr. Kusumakki, Mrs. Manisha and Soda, Mr. Srikant M. Bhosle, Dr. Sachin sir, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Dr. Manisha Puranik, Dr. Siv Ramaiya having more than 25 years of the experience joined our faculty development program. Finally, I would like to say that may everyone enjoy this FDP and gather some wonderful and cheerful memory with you. Once again, I welcome you all for this wonderful journey. Now I request to our chief guest of the today's function to take charge of the event and address to the participant.
Thank you, Naitik bhai. Thank you, Dolly ma'am, for nice introduction. Naitik bhai, आवाज આવે છે ને મારો?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Naitik? Okay, I am audible. So let us start. Our respected Sri Bhikhu Patel, Chairman of CVM, Manish Bhai Patel, Vice Chairman of CVM, Trustee members Sri L.C. Patel, Sri Mehul Bhai Patel, Sri R.C. Patel, Sri V.S. Patel, Professor Dolly Ben, Principal of AR College of Pharmacy, Dr. Naitik Trivedi, coordinator of this function, respected speakers, staff members of ER College of Pharmacy, and dear participants. A very good morning to one and all. First of all, I heartily congratulate to Professor Jyoti Soliben, Principal, and Dr. Naitik, Coordinator, to coordinate the Faculty Development Program. I extend my thanks to President, Vice President of the Sarutar Vidya Mandal. My heart-to-heart relationship with late Sri C.L. Patel Sahib. I was very close to C.L. Patel Sahib and regularly I was meeting when I was visiting the Vidyanagar. I used to meet C.L. Patel Sahib, whose sincere and dedicated efforts gave CVM a new height. This kind of nature is always in my sweet memory. So I once again thank to management. About the function, an interactive platform for faculty training program is very much attractive, especially in this pandemic situation. It is a very challenging and tough job for teachers to make a student attentive to online digital learning, especially when the camera and audio on off option are in the hand of students. I think this FDP highlights more on teaching and learning aspect as well as digital, moral, and transformative role of teacher. Everyone has to be aware the art of effective teaching, critical thinking in teaching, learning, classroom management, tool for interactive learning, and fact for teaching methodology. So I feel that in this era, education system needs to redesign, reimagine to meet the challenges of the highly uncertain future. In today's world of artificial intelligence and robotics, we must have to prepare students who promote adaptability and these require reorientation all the way through the education. Instead of learning to memorize facts and figures, this is the practice we have to memorize facts and figures. Students need to learn how to learn and how to solve problems. That is, problem-based learning is required nowadays. It requires breaking down the barrier that exists between education and the real world. The goal of teacher is more on learning rather than pure content, and instead of giving menu of academic discipline, we should give them a menu of problem and challenges that the world is facing. I think all the teachers will get lots of benefit from this interactive session, interactive platform of Patel Faculty Development Program. And after training, I must say that all of you resign your stereotype teaching method and appoint smart learning methodology, because nowadays we are doing the stereotype teaching method since long. So we have to appoint new smart learning methodology after this. Last, I congratulate all participants to capture this opportunity and spend your valuable time to redesign yourself. And lastly, once again, I extend my sincere thanks to team management of this event to invite me and listening me. Thank you.
Respected chief guest of the today's function, Dr. P.N. Suvagia sir, There are the many guests who have joined. Dr. Nehal Shah sir, Associate Dean of Gujarat Technological University, and dear participants. We are very much thankful to Dr. B.N. Suvagia sir for giving their valuable consent from their busy schedule to join this faculty development program. Sir has enlightened us with very important word that it is essential to learn new technique in the teaching and learning methodology. Sir, we will definitely improve our teaching and learning methodology. We are once again thank you to all of you. Now we will move forward towards our plenary session. Dr. Jolie ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Naitik. Thank you, Dolly. Thank you all speaker and participants.
Respected all,
Thank you very much, sir.
to be here. If you have any query, then you can ask now, sir. This is the token of love from our side. Kindly accept this token of love from our side. It's a great honor to give this token of love to you, sir.
Thank you, Naitik bhai. Thank you, Dolly.
Once again, thank
Welcome,
you
sir.
all. Now we will go for the plenary lecture session. Thanks. Plenary lecture will start at the 11 a.m. with the different link. So there is the half hour break. We will join plenary lecture with the new link. Our first speaker is Dr. Anil Bhandari, sir. Thank you very much.